Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. Now we are doing something a little bit different today. I've got a recipe from the Washington Post for cheesy popcorn bread, and we are going to make that. If you want to see how I turn this into this, keep watching. Here is the batter. We're about to pop this in the oven. Now I am feeling a little bit crazy, so I did put a portion of the batter into a cup, and we are going to try to microwave that. Don't know if it's going to turn out, but it's worth a try. So let's just put this in the oven. Now, according to the recipe, it needs to bake for 25 minutes. Hey Google, set a timer for 25 minutes.
Alright, 25 minutes, starting now.
Now in here, I just have a little bit of the batter in the bottom of this mug. I just want to know, just in case I want to make this in a camper, if I could cook it in a microwave. So I'm just going to pop it in there for a minute. There's not very much batter, but I know that coarse cornmeal is going to take a little bit to cook and to get soft. It does seem a little bit wet still, so I'm just going to microwave it for about 20 more seconds. Well, the main pan is still in the oven, but the microwave bread just came out, and we are just going to give it a little bit of a taste. That is actually pretty good. Tastes like popcorn. The only thing that I thought, and I was correct, is the cornmeal is a little too coarse, so it didn't have time to properly cook in the microwave. So it would probably be a lot better if I just used normal cornmeal instead of extremely coarse cornmeal like the recipe called for. But yeah, this is pretty good, and let's let the one in the oven finish up and we'll try that too. And just like the batch I made in the microwave, the batter looks wet, like the toothpick is wet as I'm taking it out, but no batter is actually coming out onto the toothpick. So I am just gonna take them out because I don't want the bottom to burn. Well, thank you very much for watching this video, and we definitely hope that you try out this recipe. There are just a couple of things that I did want to mention after cooking some in the microwave and some in the oven. Now, in the microwave, I did refrigerate this after microwaving, and it is not nearly as crumbly as the cornbread that I baked in the oven. The one in the oven is very crumbly, and I would have baked it a little bit longer. It's still a little bit wet, but as it cools and gets stored, it'll probably firm up a little bit more. But yeah, it's a really good recipe. Definitely check out the Washington Post to read their article about it. I definitely did not expect to find it there. But yeah, I'm glad that I found out a way to use leftover movie theater popcorn. If you liked it, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.